So yesterday I come home to a pleasant surprise. It's in the mail. A little background, this 3/4 inch gear wrench, reversible, 3/4 inch reversible gear wrench, broke. So this is pretty much, I'm guessing the tooth on this is pretty much flimsy. It doesn't engage. So pretty much just an open end wrench that maybe can customize into a tool or something. I don't know. Still useful on that end, but that end, not anymore. Well, I went online actually first to see what the warranties were, and that's when they note lifetime warranty. And similar, if it wasn't limited, as lifetime warranty. So, like Craftsman or other, high quality made in the USA tools like Williams, that I usually pretty much predominantly owned until I ran off into, well, I need tool quick. What's available? Bought it. It's cost effective to get the job done. I decided I'd invest in the gear wrench, and due to material shortages or whatever's going on, they didn't have any of the reversible available. Though they put the order in for me in the meantime, sent me out another. Well, it reverses. You just have to flip it around, so it's straight. Yeah, awesome. So they stand by their warranty, and definitely well worth the investment. Unless it breaks in the middle of a job, it's kind of frustrating. But still, you get the tool. In this situation, we'll have another tool coming. Two tools. Replace the one. So, all right. Be safe, stay healthy. Until next time. Learn something new and keep Christ with you.